Hello everybody, this is me Daksh Mawani and I'm back with another video. और 3 महीने हो गए मैंने एक भी वीडियो पोस्ट नहीं किया. It is 2025 and happy 2025 to you guys as well. And let me tell you one thing, 3 months. I promised you that 3 months back that I would post some regular content and it would be new. And again, it would be based on, I gave you many, what do you call that? Yeah, so what I was telling you about is the videos which I was doing were great. They were fine. Like the 119 one which I did 3 months back, it was great. बट अभी क्या हुआ ना उसके बाद मैंने ये एक्सक्यूजेस दिया कि काफ़ी ज़्यादा कंटेंट आएगा आपके पास, जो कि आया ही नहीं कभी. 3 महीने कुछ नहीं डाला मैंने. फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ, मैंने ये भी बोला कि कंटेंट आएगा धांसू. और धांसू के नाम पे मैं क्या करने बैठा, आई डिड विंटर आर्क चैलेंज काइंड ऑफ थिंग on Instagram. I deleted those reels. Those reels got around 1K views, something like that, in one day each, and that's it. I deleted those. Then I posted few of the other videos as well. ये बोल के कि चलो let's try Instagram reels a bit. But I do not find that calling there, because creating content is tough, honestly speaking. And once you know what your niche is, it becomes easier. But again, for me, I wanted to keep things much unfiltered than what they are in reels. Reels, you can't keep them unfiltered. You have to have a particular topic which you are doing that. So वो तो मैंने छोड़ ही दिया. अब मैंने 3 महीने से पोस्ट क्यों नहीं कर रहा हूँ, ये वाला एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल रहेगा लोगों में. वेल, टू आंसर दैट, व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि यू नो फर्स्ट थिंग्स फर्स्ट, मेरे एग्जाम्स थे तब. Then again, it's bunch of excuses. So I'll tell you one simple straight thing. I was lazy. I was a dumb fuck. I did not give time to content creation. आज की डेट में वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, ये भी क्यों बना रहा हूँ, क्योंकि अंदर से एक आग आई कि वीडियो बनाना है, बस और कुछ नहीं है. अभी बैठ के मैं बात कर रहा हूँ बस. 3 महीने पहले आई कुड हैव टेकन दिस स्टेप अर्लियर. आई कुड हैव डन दिस इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ 2025 एज वेल. आई हैड दीज मेनी प्लान्स रिगार्डिंग कंटेंट क्रिएशन एंड वॉट नॉट. आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग, नथिंग, जीरो. अंडा अंडा किया, मैं कुछ नहीं किया. अभी मैं किया तो कुछ नहीं. अब ठीक है, नाउ why am I making this video? Like, what's the point of addressing the audience which I don't care about? Well, the thing is, I want to create content in such a way that people get inspired from me and people actually look up to me. It's not that I'm doing it for my own what do you call profit. मेरे को ऐसा बनना है कि लोग अगर देख रहे हैं मेरे को, तो उनको एक लग रहा है कि बन सकते हैं इसकी तरह, ये कर सकता है तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता हूँ. आई वॉन्ट माई जर्नी टू बी आउट देयर. इट्स लाइक दैट. क्योंकि अभी कैसा है ना, अभी मेरी जर्नी चल रही है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक इट इज़ completed, or I have reached a point where I can give guidance and everything. I wanted to share my experiences, whatever I am having. अब मैं वो शेयर कर ही नहीं पा रहा था. 3 months, I'm telling you, like, they went so quick. Literally, they went so quick. I did not even realize that February has come, and I did not post a single video for the last 3 months. I posted last in October, started the channel in September, I guess, with a thing called as I'll work on my journey, this, that. All was bullshit. I'm telling you, the mistake which I have to admit is कि I fucked up big time. मेरे को कंटेंट बनाना चाहिए था जब मेरे को नहीं बनाने का मूड था, तब भी मैं कभी कुछ बनाया ही नहीं. दिस इज द थिंग विच आई हैव बीन फेसिंग इन माई लाइफ फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम. लाइक, नॉट बीइंग कंसिस्टेंट विथ थिंग्स. लाइक, तब भी आई हैड अ गोल, बट आई नेवर हैड अ पर्पस टू fuel my goals. Right now, as time passed, I'm more clearer with my career, and I know what I have to do in future as well. मेरे को पता है कि मेरे को कौन सी फील्ड में जाना, मेरे को करना क्या है, सब पता है. एग्जीक्यूशन ही एक चीज़ है जिसमें मात खा रहा हूँ. I'll work on it. That's another thing. So, what else can I speak about in today's video? I just wanted to, keep you guys updated again. I don't want this, to be a session, where I just keep ranting about myself. I just want you guys to know what I have been doing since the past 3 months. Okay. So in the college, I have joined a club. I'm in the semester 2 right now, which is the fourth semester. And right now, a few days back, my mid exams went pretty well, solid. and then I had these things. What do you call them? Yeah, so I joined the club and yeah, I hosted a podcast there as well. Great experience. Then I had a chance to anchor as well. It was amazing, like brilliant experience. 2K25 has been great so far, but not in terms of fitness, not in terms of my career, nothing. Fitness though, I missed gym like 1 week, 1 month. Sorry, my weight is around 105 now, and I don't know. There's a moment where you feel that you have not done anything. You know that you have wasted time. You know that वो जिस बंदे से मैं बात कर रहा हूँ या wherever I'm wasting my time on all those distractions, I could have just stepped up and for my own self respect I could have given it more time. I could have. I never gave more time to it. I'm having regret of that, definitely, because I missed out on many experiences and whatnot, which I could have done through this channel. Now also I have the courage to join, to start again another journey of my life through this YouTube thing, because the past 5 months, whatever I did, I was totally inconsistent in that. Will not happen again. That's another thing. So career wise, again, I'll tell what's my future plan. So for me, my future plan is in the VLSI domain again, which is related to electronics, and I'm working towards it. Just the coding stuff and all the basic things of the electronics, such as the digital electronics. Then going further into computer architecture and whatnot. So yeah, I'm following a plan for 5 years. That's around Vision 29. That is what it is. Mm. So that's that. And again, after the 6 months, I am going to run a 21K. Till now, I have run only 10K. That too, my time was 1 hour 20 minutes at max. I don't know how I will do that, but I will achieve that thing 21K. Now, I wanted to ask another thing to the people who are listening right now. Please, if you guys know any NGOs who I can support through my runs and they can earn something through a donate card campaign or something like, please do let me know in the comment section, or just tag me in the Instagram thing, letting me know I could do this, because my purpose of running is my personal fitness goal, plus as well as I want to contribute to the society as well. So if possible, please tell me how I can contribute towards the NGOs for dogs, especially if it is possible, by running a donate card campaign, or how can I do that? Anyone who is knowledgeable in that field, please do let me know. And yeah, that's that for my fitness goal and my career goal. Again, the mistakes which I did are plenty in this timeline, because uh, I made good friends. Like, I met lots of people in 2025 starting, many people through my club. And again, I had these experiences as well, which I talked about. I improved my public speaking skill. As you could have seen, now this video, how am I speaking, and the 3 months back, Daksh, how he was speaking, there's quite a substantial difference. I'm guaranteeing you of that. But again, yeah, everyone grows through their personal experiences again. If I wouldn't have taken the time of the YouTube thing, I mean, if I would have posted, that would have been better. But if I wouldn't have done things beside YouTube, I wouldn't have been this confident in front of camera again. Hmm. What else can I talk about again? So, basic in life, what's going on is right now for me, मेरा सिंपल है, ज़्यादा कुछ करना नहीं है भाई, अपने काम की तरफ ध्यान देना है मैंने। सही सही बोल रहा हूँ मैं। बाकी चीज़ें सब डिस्ट्रैक्शन है भाई। होना होगा जो होगा ही होगा, वो मेरे को फ़र्क भी नहीं पड़ता है। अभी मेरे को बस मेरा प्लान क्या है ये साल के लिए एटलीस्ट, दैट आई विल बी कंसिस्टेंट विथ द कंटेंट क्रिएशन ऑफ यूट्यूब एंड एज वेल एज अपस्किलिंग माई सेल्फ। दीज आर द टू मेन प्रायोरिटीज आई एम हैविंग फॉर दिस ईयर एटलीस्ट। And why am I telling these goals to you is because that I am making my audience accountable of me as well, and they know what I am going through. वो भी उनको पता रहना चाहिए. Since I'm made a channel around me, if you don't know about me and I ghost around for another month and I come back later on, it's of no use. Personal experiences, personal events, जो कुछ भी हो मैं पूरा डंप करते रहूँगा अब तो मैं डिसाइडेड हूँ, क्योंकि taking this one step has changed me. एक वीडियो बनाने से ही मैं बाकी का दूसरे वीडियो बना सकता हूँ मैं, वो बात है। So again, I have posted a Instagram story about the Q&A thing. You guys have any questions you can ask there. I'm going to post a video soon enough once I have all the questions ready with me, and I will answer each and every of them, whatever, however cheap the question is, or whatever, how much ever deep the question goes. I'll try to answer it in my best way. And so yeah, in the future, actually, what can I else do? So basically, the 1 year goal which I was planning is, yeah, I told you, like upskilling myself and getting into the fitness shape, running that 21K. It's fine. That's great. But again, I could do something greater. I felt, because it's not through the goals which I achieve, determine me. It's the actions which I take today, and I inculcate in my life. That is what matters there. So yeah, और क्या कर सकते हैं? द कॉमेडी वीडियो तो बिल्कुल नहीं है ये, क्योंकि मेरे को बात करनी थी सही सही में, क्योंकि मैं अगर ऑडियंस बढ़ाना चाहता हूँ तो आई हैव टू टेक दीज मेजर्स। तो मेरे को यही लगा कि सही है कि मैं एक वीडियो बना के बोल दूँ आप लोगों को कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में असल चल क्या रहा है भाई, मैं इतना इनकन्सिस्टेंट क्यों रहा। सो इनकन्सिस्टेंट रहने का और एक रीज़न भी ये था कि मैं इतना करेजेस फील कर ही नहीं पाया। मैं इतनी सारी चीज़ों में अटक गया दूसरी-दूसरी, जिनका कोई मान्य ही नहीं था। दोज़ गाइज़ डिड नॉट हैव इवन एनी सिंगल पॉइंट ऑफ वैल्यू व्हिच एडेड टू माय लाइफ, एंड अगेन आई मिस्ड आउट ऑन द अपॉर्च्युनिटी ऑफ क्रिएटिंग मोर कंटेंट एज़ वेल। Hmm, that's that. And another thing, yeah, I've started watching anime again. I'm watching right now Dragon Ball. Dragon Ball Super is going on. The guys who know that, yo, do know about it. And yeah, the Tournament of Power is going to start in that arc. And yes, I will try to stay consistent with my content creation. And if you have any suggestions, please do let me know on through my Instagram or through my YouTube comment section. You can connect with me on LinkedIn as well. And what else do I have to speak? Am I missing anything? Let's see if I am missing anything. The next video will be on the Q&A session, definitely, whatever I am thinking of, because I wanted to, ask my people how they want to, connect with me and etc. So yeah, that works. And last things last, if possible, please do let me know about the 21K which I asked you. Any NGOs or anything I could support, I could reach out to them personally and make their lives better as well. So yes, guys, this is it for the video, and I hope that this was an unfiltered video, honestly, because I don't want to keep much of editing in this. I just want people to see a new content of mine. I'm pissed off of myself only. Editing आएगी काफ़ी, मैं सिनेमाटोग्राफी की तरफ भी ट्राई कर रहा हूँ मैं, लाइक हाउ टू एक्चुअली मेक अ बी रोल इंटीग्रेट इनटू द वीडियोस एंड सो ऑन। ये तो टॉकिंग हेड वीडियो है, ये तो ऐसे ही चल जाएगा, इसमें दिक्कत नहीं है। सो या, दैट्स इट। हैव अ गुड डे गाइस, एंड आई विल स्टे कंसिस्टेंट। सी यू गाइस लेटर।